What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another amazing recipe for you all to enjoy. We are going to be making the most delicious, the most juicy turkey wings in my air fryer today, baby. I cannot wait for you guys to give this one a try. Let's not waste any time and let's get right on into the recipe. Let go. So we're gonna be working with 4 turkey wings, but we're only using the flats portion. We're gonna also be using Tony's injectable butter. This right here you can find at your local grocery store. It's pretty easy to find, especially this holiday season. And you're gonna use the included syringe and go ahead and inject your turkey wings just like so. You wanna go ahead and make sure you do this to all of your turkey wings. This injectable butter is so flavorful, and it's also going to make sure your turkey wings are very juicy on the inside. So go ahead and take care of that. Make sure all of your turkey wings are injected with this goodness right here. Let me know down in the comments below, will you be cooking a whole turkey this holiday season, or will you be taking the route of just making some wings or something similar to that? Because I know not everybody wants to break out and cook a whole giant turkey. Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what side dishes you're serving. For me, I know we're pretty much having everything. We're gonna have collard greens, we're gonna have turkey wings, we're gonna have a whole turkey, baked, fried turkey, a little bit of everything. Okay, stop playing with me. So go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil on top of your turkey wings. You do want to make sure they're patted dry from all that butter that we injected it with. This is the seasoning that we're going to be working with. It's listed on the screen, and it will be listed in the description box as well. You want to go ahead and be generous as always and make sure your turkey wings are well seasoned up. Don't ever be stingy with the seasoning, guys, especially for Thanksgiving. We ain't doing no bland turkey on no Thanksgiving. Stop playing with me. So go ahead and make sure it's well coated up like so. And once it is, we'll move on to the next step, which is tossing this bad boy right here in the air fryer. So you want to go ahead and load your turkey wings into your air fryer tray. We want these to be very tender. So we're going to start at a lower temperature actually. Once you get them in there, we're going to air fry that first side at 325 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once that 15 minutes is up, you're then going to flip your turkey wings over and you're going to air fry it again for another 15 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. You're not done at that point. Right here on the screen is that first flip. This is how you should be looking so far. We're gonna go ahead and flip them over and we're gonna toss this back in. Like I said, this is that first flip basically. 325, another 15 minutes on that second side. Okay. Now, once that 15 minutes is up, we're then gonna crank up the temperature to 385 Fahrenheit. And we're gonna let each side cook for an additional 5 minutes, again at 385 Fahrenheit. This ensures your turkey is very tender and very beautiful. You are gonna end up with a beautiful crust on the outside of your turkey. It should be something, look, it should be looking just like this. Very beautiful, very tender, very delicious. Okay, once your turkey is done, it is pretty much time to plate up. I did drizzle a little bit of garlic herb butter on the top and then finished it off with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. And my goodness, this right here was amazing. So delicious, so flavorful, so juicy. I cannot find words to explain how good this is. You're just gonna have to make it and try it for yourself. Okay, stop playing with me. Enjoy it this holiday season. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all on the next video. Deuces.